Hello students, following question is again a 2-mark question from topic of environmental engineering, basic unit operations. Here it is said that assuming Stokes law, this is not Stokes law, assuming Stokes law to be valid, the specific gravity of particle is 2.7 and size of particle is 0.15 mm. Kinematic viscosity, which we know that is defined as dynamic viscosity divided by density of liquid, is given as 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 centimeters square per second, and it is asked in the question that what is the settling velocity of particle. Now as per Stokes law, this is a very straightforward formula based question but an important one too, that as per Stokes law, settling velocity is given by GD square upon 18 nu, where nu is kinematic viscosity, into G minus 1, where G stands for specific gravity. Now here what I have done, I have converted all the dimensions of length into centimeter and kept time in seconds because required answer is in centimeter per second. So G expressed in centimeter is 981 centimeter per second square into 0.015 square, because it is given that size of particle as 0.015, so it's square into 1.7 into 1.7, because G is 2.7, so 2.7 minus 1 comes out as 1.7 divided by 18 into nu, that is 18 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter per square per second, so it comes out as 2.08 per second. So this is a correct answer. If we talk about that from where this Stokes law come, this is assume that laminar flow is taking place and just balance the various forces, that is viscous forces acting on a discrete spherical particle. They are equated to, this is also called as drag forces, they are equated to gravitational forces that are because of mass of that discrete particle. And when we can apply this particular relationship, then we say that yes, Stokes law is valid at given standard temperature and environmental conditions. So correct answer lies as 2.08, and students are sincerely advised to go through the derivation of this Stokes law at least once. Thank you.